Are you taking a picture or a
No,
video?
I'm taking a video.
Why?
Because, Samantha, be quiet. Come on, Alex, let's go.
I can't.
Why? What's wrong?
You know what's wrong.
You already know.
Yeah, exactly. Why are you telling the world?
Because you like to keep putting your hand in there. This is not the first time this has happened, people. And it's stuck.
Don't tell everybody that.
Well, come on, let's go.
I can't, because it's stuck in there. It won't
Are you
stop.
going to do that again?
Oh, no.
Okay, I'll help you. Don't do it again, okay?
Okay. Ow. Why are your bar things so small?
Why do you keep putting your hand in there when you know it gets stuck?
If you get it in there, I bet you can get it out.
Uh-uh.
How in the world did you get it in there
I don't know.